Hey guys, welcome back. You're still tuned into Power Breakfast here on CNBC-TV18, and we were just taking you through the global setup where we have seen a relief rally in the US, which is also playing out in the Asian markets in early trade. So we have Vivek and Surbhi joining, and now to really take you through what the trade setup looks like for us and all of the individual names that you should track ahead of the market open. So guys, a very good morning to both of you. Vivek, like I was pointing out, quite a relief rally coming through in the US after the CPI data. We're going to take this with both hands.
Well, you're absolutely right, and good morning to you too. Now, yesterday, while what you're actually seeing at the end of the session is a bit of gains as far as US markets are concerned. What it actually masks is the fact that there was severe volatility, very sharp gap up open, led by intense selling pressure, and then once again towards the end of the trading session, you did see a bit of a bounce back, and that's why most of the US markets ended in the green. Dow Jones snapping a 5-day losing streak. Similarly, along European markets as well, you did see a bit of a relief rally, like you mentioned. So most of the European markets too, have given a strong handover. Now, what is surprising is the fact that crude oil prices yesterday slipped quite significantly. Brent futures down over 3% in the session. WTI futures down over 3%. The demand outlook as far as OPEC is concerned continues to remain quite subdued for the coming year. Now, Indian markets, yesterday's trading session extremely volatile, as has been the trend in the last few trading sessions. And also, for a brief period of time, the Nifty actually slipped below the very crucial 17,000 level, however, managed to close above that particular level. Today's gap up opening, might ensure that 17,000 now remains the thick line in the sand, and that'll be the most crucial level to watch out for. Asian markets too, on the back of the strong handover, giving an uptick. SGX Nifty too is indicating a gap up start.
All right, a gap up start, almost 100 points higher, and let's see how we move from there. Vivek, thanks a lot for that. Surbhi is also here to take us through the individual stocks that we should watch. Surbhi, telecom really likely to be in focus after what we've seen with Jio.
Right, Pavitra. So Reliance will be in focus as Jio has announced their new postpaid plans. Now the postpaid family plans for Jio Plus will be for 399 rupees. Additional 3 add-on customers will be available at 99 rupees per SIM, and total monthly charge for 4 postpaid connections would be at 696 rupees. Now some other companies that will be in focus today will be PNC Infra, as the company emerges as the lowest bidder for an NHAI project worth 1260 crores. NBCC, they also bag an order from the government of Puducherry worth 500 crores. GMR Airports, they will have a board meeting on 17th of March to consider fund raised via QIP. Capri Global, where their gold loan assets under management crosses the 1,000 crore mark and has now over 500 exclusive gold loan branches as opposed to 108 when it first started in August 2022. And lastly, PVR Inox will also be in focus as they held their first con call as the merged entity yesterday. So takeaways from that will be important.
All right, Surbhi, thanks a lot for bringing us all of the details as far as individual stocks go. But another update is that